Hi friends, my name is Lisa, a nutrition educator from CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension.
And my name is Lucia, a local student, and welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month we will be learning about broccoli.
Did you know broccoli was related to cabbage?
No way!
It is also related to kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. The Spanish name for broccoli is broccoli.
Did you know broccoli is a cool season crop? Broccoli is not frost-friendly and prefers planting temperatures between 50 degrees to 60 degrees Fahrenheit.
Broccoli can be started by seeds or can be transplanted and matures in 100 to 120 days.
Broccoli is available year-round in California.
If you look close enough, you may be able to see some growing locally in the Central Sierras. A half cup of shredded broccoli, or about 1 cupped handful, is a great source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate.
Vitamin A helps maintain healthy eyesight. Vitamin C helps our bodies heal cuts and wounds. Vitamin K is important for helping our blood clot.
Folate works with vitamin B12 to form hemoglobin in red blood cells. Are you getting hungry?
I am!
Do you want to help me make this chicken, broccoli, and cheese skillet recipe from foodhero.org?
Yes, please. What is your favorite broccoli recipe?
Thank you for joining us for this spotlight of broccoli as our harvest of the month.
How will you enjoy broccoli this month? See if you can find broccoli in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in a garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month.